Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we talk about natural remedies for healthy living. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 effective home remedies for toothache. Toothache can be a painful and uncomfortable experience, and it's essential to find ways to ease the pain. These remedies are easy to follow and can be done at home. So, let's get started. Remedy number 1. Saltwater. Rinse. Saltwater is a natural antiseptic and can help reduce inflammation and fight bacteria in your mouth. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds before spitting it out. Repeat this process a few times a day to ease the pain. Remedy number 2. Clove oil. Clove oil is known for its analgesic and antiseptic properties and can help relieve toothache. Dip a cotton ball in clove oil and place it on the affected tooth for a few minutes. You can also add a few drops of clove oil to a glass of warm water and use it as a mouthwash. Remedy number 3. Garlic. Garlic has antibacterial properties and can help reduce pain and inflammation. Crush a clove of garlic and mix it with some salt. Apply this mixture directly on the affected tooth for a few minutes. You can also chew on a piece of garlic to release its natural oils and reduce pain. Remedy number 4. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea has a numbing effect and can help ease toothache. Brew a peppermint tea bag in hot water and let it cool down. Swish the tea around your mouth before spitting it out. You can also place a warm, wet tea bag on the affected tooth for a few minutes. Remedy number 5. Ice pack. An ice pack can help reduce inflammation and numb the affected area, reducing pain. Place an ice pack or a bag of frozen peas on the affected area for about 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat this process a few times a day to ease the pain. There you have it, 5 effective home remedies for toothache. These remedies are easy to follow and can be done at home. Remember, toothache can be a sign of an underlying dental problem, so make sure to see a dentist if the pain persists. If you have any other home remedies for toothache, please share them with us in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural remedies for healthy living.